Russian Versailles. Храповицкий manor. The Храповицкий manor was built in 1889 in Russia, near the big city Vladimir in Sudogodsky district, village Muromcevo. In old times, these buildings were the stable and animal farm. Some bricks has numbers, but a lot of other bricks in bad conditions. Rich man Colonel Храповицкий was living here, but now, after big revolution in 1917, it abandoned. Now you can see the places where was living horses. Look at these old stones. These photos show us how it looked in 19th century. After big revolution, communists made here hospital. This architecture called neo-Gothic chateauesque, built like castles in medieval years. One part of this manor built in English style, and the other part built in French style. For me, it resembles Romeo and Julieta by Shakespeare. After Second World War, this building became gymnasium for young people. On this big territory, Colonel Храповицкий was built boats, marina, dance floor and church. After big revolution, he left Russia and his manor presented to the authorities. He died in France with his wife in poverty in 1922, in 64 years old.